നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കോസ്റ്റ് അക്കൗണ്ടിലെ കുറച്ച് MCQ ടൈപ്പ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. കോസ്റ്റിംഗ് ഈസ് എ ടെക്നിക് ഓഫ് അസർട്ടൈനിങ് കോസ്റ്റ്. Costing is a technique of ascertaining cost. Second question, cost accounting is a branch of financial accounting, management accounting, bookkeeping, none of the above. Answer, none of the above. Third question, cost accounting has been developed because of limitation of financial accounting. Cost accounting has been developed because of limitation of financial accounting. Fourth question, cost accounting mainly helps the management in earning extra profit, ascertaining of cost, fixing price of product, computing profit of the undertaking. Answer, ascertaining of cost. Cost accounting mainly helps the management in ascertaining of cost. Fifth question, in refinery dash method of costing is used. Process costing. In refinery dash method of costing is used. Process costing. Sixth question, operating costing is used in service rendering undertaking. Sixth question, operating costing is used in answer service rendering undertaking. Seventh question, in automobile industry, the costing method used is multiple costing. Seventh question, in automobile industry, the costing method used is multiple costing. Eighth question, in nursing home, the method of costing should be answer operating costing. Eighth question, in nursing home, the method of costing should be operating costing. Ninth question, direct costs are those which varies directly with production. Ninth question, direct costs are those which varies directly with production. 10th question, in marginal costing, costs are classified into fixed and variable cost. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.